Hello, you're welcome to the part 2 series on this video on what is the advantage of having VTU Portal Creator over similar apps like that. So if you are still joining us, remember the first episode, we just drop it on the channel, so you can look at the description of this video to get the first. I already made myself, introduced myself, and then I've also give you a little lecture on that. But let's proceed on this part 2 series on this. So if you have not watched the first one, please do watch it, and remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Now, advantage of having VTUPortal Creator Script over other similar scripts. That's the major reason for shooting out this presentation or video. So the first one is this: is a custom made. Okay, V2. I'm gonna use VPC as abbreviation to it. So what we mean by custom made is that VPC is a custom made V2 script that you can use to power on your online recharging business in Nigeria and beyond. Okay, a custom made is that is not, you can decide to design it the way you want. That's what we call custom made. It's not like a replicated kind of V2 website. What we mean is that you can decide to make the app, the landing page. You can decide the app to be on its own and then have a different landing page. So many things as a developer, someone that is working on the back end of a project can do on this script. You can virtually do it. Then simple and flexible. That's one thing about the VPC script. Is a very simple and flexible, meaning that it is a user-friendly application. That is what VTUPortal Creator is. So please let me overview everything again. For those of you that didn't watch the first video, I'm looking at the advantage of VTUPortal Creator software over other similar scripts. That's exactly what we are looking here. And I have done my introduction. I'm a full stack web developer, full-time FX trader and crypto trading, digital marketer, creator, and owner of VTUPortal Creator, content creator, CEO of FinTech in Africa. So these are what we have done, and we also define what the application means. So please watch that intro video. It's very little before you follow up this video, so that you will not get confused along the line. So this third reason is an open source. Open source here means that you can use VTUPortal Creator to develop a fintech app payment system, be it on payment system like electricity payment system of all these codes in Nigeria. You can use it to do it. Then data subscription system. Okay, data subscriptions like SME data, corporate gifting, direct data, all supported on this app, on this script. Then betting system, that is the very wonderful support system of this application. You can easily use it to build a betting system. Here is not talking about like betting platform. We are talking about a way in which you can program the script to collect and pay for users that are using like Bet Niger to fund their wallet. You understand? So you can be able to use VTUPortal Creator script to do exactly that. Now POS, point on sales. Of course, you can build apps around POS industry on the script. The banking app, so of course it's the mini banking applications. You can use it to do interbank transfers within and to within the applications. So you can just build something like that and then facilitate the transfers of money, funding of wallets, transferring of the money to any bank account in Nigeria. Then another thing is bulk SMS. You can also use it to power bulk SMS. Then the next one is event ticketing, like collecting of tickets from registrations for a particular event. You can use it to power that. Then NIN. So this is very wonderful, guys. You know why? Because with the app, you can be able to power something like NNI verification system, BVM verification system, document submit. In fact, we did a conclusive project on this on one of our clients. So if you are interested in these kind of services or this kind of application development, contact us. I'm talking about using VTUPortalCreator Script to power a sophisticated database collections and querying systems like NNI database system. So we can build it on VTUPortalCreator. Now the next one is a great language code base. That's one of the greatest things that I like on VTUPortalCreator Scripts. Why? Because it supports both post and get RESTful API integration function. Now this can sound as a rocket science to a layman, but what we are saying in essence is this: if you're a developer that is watching this video, or even if you are not a developer or an investor that is watching this video, what we are trying to say in this post and get API integration is that any kind of external third-party systems that supports PHP language coding and it supports API system. API means application programming interface. VTUPortalCreator comes with this, and you can create unlimited get and post requests on the back end as the administrator. So making it is very flexible for developer to work and extend the app into other powerful applications. Now this is a place where it gets funny, in the sense that other similar scripts that I've seen couple of scripts that we have been working on in the past and even present. Most of them does not give you this room of development. They will all center it on one system, maybe targeting a recharging industry. So, but here in VTUPortalCreator, in fact, as a matter of fact, when you install the application, that's the script, it is empty. It's just like if you have used a open source script similar to like maybe WordPress or Joomla or Drupal or Blogger, is exactly like that. But the only difference is that all this the CMS system I mentioned are meant for design of website. But here we are looking at building of app. So when you install the application for the first time, as someone that buys the solution, is empty. So you need to work as to build it to what you want. The same thing is like WordPress. If you install WordPress in the beginning, everything looks empty. You as a developer can then decide to do whatever you want with the application. So it's a very good choice for those that are high-tech persons, and even not high-tech. If you are just investor that want something that is unique to you, then that is not generic. Generic here means most scripts that you see today, some of them are good, I'm not doubting that, but if one thing about them is that each of them are always almost similar, in the sense that when you build a website around them, VTU website around them, people that are coming in to patronize it, they can easily guess and see, oh, is it these people, they have come in this form, something like that. But here in VTUPortalCreator, you can have a different landing page, then you can have the app in different segments, and of course integrate each of them and connect it, and it start working the way you want it. That's the advantage of these solutions we are saying. Now, code base, I've already explained it. Another thing to summarize this is the next one is CodeBase Field Variable. That's another good feature of VTUPortalCreator Script. VTUPortalCreator comes with vast CodeBase Field Variables that allow you to build different kinds of form, fields, and pass requests using different language syntax. Both Ajax, cross queries, and DB manipulations are all supported on the script. Now, this can be something that is not sounding funny, but this video is not for a lay person that is not yet in science. Okay, if you are not a developer, or maybe you are intending to be a developer, this can be a good video changing and eye opener for you, so that you know your ground. Okay, in development, there's what to call passing of queries and requests to server. So VTUPortalCreator is very flexible on that. You can pass requests across different database and platforms. That is exactly what we are saying. Passing requests means that you can connect your data source to be in one platform A, then your airtime source to be in platform B, your electricity payment to be in platform F. So you can connect all of them and pass requests across when your user want to interact with the application. And it also creates the flexibility that every developers or even investors want, because you don't want to put your egg in one basket, isn't it? You have to spread. That's exactly what we're saying. But this thing cannot sound, it may sound funny to you, and it's a rocket science if you are not involved. So after watching this video, I'm going to give you an offer at the conclusion of this video. So get started with the offer so that you don't just stay on the fence, or maybe you go to WhatsApp, you start asking Shadrach, okay, this you have said this in this video and all that. This thing does not really make sense until you start doing something before you start seeing either result of what you have been thinking of. But in this video, I'm just trying to give you a skeletal view of what VTUPortalCreator is. I've already taken the first one, which is custom made, simple and flexible, open source. The fourth one, great language code base. That's the fourth one. The CodeBase Field Variables is what we are in now. Then the sixth one is automated and manual product development. That is one uniqueness of this app. Okay, what we mean is, like, unlike other similar scripts around the net, VTUPortalCreator support both automated and manual product development, making it easy and flexible to collect and program apps to work in automated and manual mode. Are you getting it now? So what it means here is this: if you don't want to connect to a third-party API system that will interact with your applications on VTUPortalCreator, you can practically do a manual product creation on the app, and people will be paying for that. For instance, if you are running something like maybe e-commerce system, and then you want to now sell products, physical products, using the application, it is 100% possible, because you can then use what you call the manual product creation system, which is only done if you know the way around the script. Okay, but if you are now dealing with a product like airtime, data, and then the rest, these are all automated products, so you can also make it connect it to work, to autopilot. That's one thing about it, is this: most apps around in the industry does not have this facility. You know why? Because either they are programmed to work on automated, and if you didn't get the automated setup, automated as in like the product setup in autopilot, it will not work, which is good, and sometimes it's not, because it's not every product. Like in VTUPortalCreator, I can decide to sell physical product while I'm still selling the automated product, and that is a very good advantage. The seventh one is program from scratch. Program from scratch. As I said earlier before, what I mean here is that in VTUPortalCreator, developer can work with the script from scratch, making it ideal to learn as you code any app on the go. So if you install the application, which is VTUPortalCreator script, it's gonna be blank in the default. So you build each sections of the app, both the landing page, both the product itself, both the API system. So it's like a good framework for developer to come in. Now, API compatible. VTUPortalCreator supports thousands of API systems. Any third party that supports API integration can be coded inside VTUPortalCreator, making it a universal app for multiple API integration. Most scripts that is on the internet today, they will tell you that they support a particular set of API integration. They will tell you you must use here or here or here. They'll give you a vast collection, but here in VTUPortalCreator, it is unlimited. Unlimited means that if you can decode an API documentation from any third party, you can practically integrate that into. That's the reason why I told you about NNI before now, that we worked on a project called NNI integration. We're able to do that technology is because of the fact that this function that this script comes with, which is unlimited API integration. Even betting system, I was able to do it because of the fact that this script supports unlimited API integration. So it's a universal API integration app system. The last but the ninth one is product restrictions. You can restrict product on VTUPortalCreator, hide or hide product from the end users as you wish. Okay, that one is very good, and every other applications like this have these functions attached to it. The last but not the least, which is the 10th one, is user database filter. Okay, you can filter user database like email, phone numbers, and support, and export it into any system for record keeping or massive broadcast. This is a very good feature, because for those of you that are going in for like, okay, you want to collect database of your users, it is 100% possible, like email or maybe phone number for broadcast or marketing purposes. You can do that. You can export it from the back end when you have gathered this kind of informations. And also, once you gather email, you can also export it into Excel sheet, or maybe export it into Microsoft Word, and then use it and put on your digital marketing, like putting it on email list, and then running campaigns to retarget them for a different offer. I'm a digital marketer, so that's why I'm sounding in this, because so that you shouldn't get it all twisted. But what we are saying in essence is this: collecting a basic bio information of users like email and phone number is a top priority for every business owners. So most scripts does not have this function, in the sense that you'll be seeing all the emails, register users in your dashboard or your admin end, but you cannot export it. You cannot collect it the way you are supposed to collect it, that is flexible for you. But here in VTUPortalCreator, you can do that 100%. Now, if you are interested to get VTUPortalCreator script, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. You kindly visit instantmobile.com.ng/VTUPortalCreator. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you go through it. Get started. There is so many packages. The latest one is just 38k, and we also have the one other packages. We have just 3 packages there. Just make your payment. The first one starts with, you have your own V2 website. Will be the website for you. Not only that, we will send you the script, and then so you can study it as a developer or as an investor and know how to go about the script itself. That's the second package and the last package. So these packages are there for you to start in the right ground. Okay, now, but if you are a tech person or a developer that wants a training like this to get started, there is a training package. Every month we train students in Nigeria on how to build these applications step by step. Every 3 days you receive training on your email. So that training is also open once again in this upcoming month. So get started, guys, and then enroll on this training. And you can enroll by going to instantmobile.com.ng/work with Shedrack. I'm going to leave a link to the description of this video so that you can be able to go through the page and then sign up. Remember, as I said on most of my lately videos, I don't entertain much questions on WhatsApp. If you're coming in to ask questions on WhatsApp, it will be there to, oh, I want to go for this plan, I'm ready for payment, what's the process. But not like you come to WhatsApp now, because I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link where you can contact 081 I'm going to drop it on the description of this video. But it's not when you come to WhatsApp begin to ask Mr. Shedrack, what is VTUPortalCreator, that kind of question, because I know most people that comes to make inquiries, most of them are coming from this YouTube channel, which is Lazy Cat Business TV. So don't come to WhatsApp and start interrogating and staging the whole training all together, because this is the reason why we have a channel where we teach you how most of these things are done. Then if you're coming to WhatsApp it's going to be like, I want to start something, okay, I want to make payment, okay, I've paid, how do I do this? Because we have already covered most of the thing. But people always come to WhatsApp and say, Mr. Shedrack, please, what is the feature of VTUPortalCreator? What are the advantages? You begin to ask the same question you have watched on the video. So the only thing I can entertain is, oh, I saw your video on the internet about VTUPortalCreator. Please, I want to know whether it's true. Yes, I'll answer you, it is true. Okay, I want to now buy this package. You pay, and then, because the more you chat, at the end of the day, I may not give you that attention you may need, because most people that will come to us, most of them they will chat you, and at the end of the day they will not fulfill what they came for. So I don't spend much time entertaining that. Is maybe other businesses like this that is not like this that I may spend about it. The one I have already spent time to give you lectures on YouTube channel or Logical Business TV. Don't expect me to still spend the same energy to start entertaining you on WhatsApp or anything. So please take action right away by getting this application, as I said earlier before, to get started. There's also other features, other setup system like the V2 reseller system. If you are not interested to get even the SME bulk SME portal, which is roughly 7,000. I'm going to leave a link to the description of all these the sale page, so you can practically make your choice and get started. Remember, we are the owner of these applications and we build it to help power VTU website across Nigeria and even beyond. So if you are someone in diaspora watching this video, you can also get started, because we are built for clients in Germany, USA, UK, and all that. So you are not going to be exception. In fact, we're going to be targeting videos like that so that you can know that people in the diaspora can also participate in this ongoing revolution of telecom business in Nigeria. And more videos are going to come, even the latest app that we have on ground, which is very okay, and we are trying to look at flexibility and using leverage system. So please subscribe, like, share this video, and remember your host, Mr. Shedrack. Thanks and God bless. I'm going to see you in the next video.